Welcome to the tutorial on circuit analysis of digital to analog converter using R to R resistors. So here we shall analyze the circuit for a 4-bit digital to analog converter which makes use of R to R ladder network. If you observe the circuit, we have given the connection to the inverting terminal of the op amp and the resistance in the feedback that is connected is to R. We are going to connect 4 binary inputs either to the reference voltage or to the ground. So the binary inputs are from B0 to B3 and this could be either high or low, that means a reference voltage of 5 volt, or low, which is equal to ground. The output is analog value, and when we represent B3 to B0, B0 will be the LSB and B3 will be the MSB. So we will try to reduce this particular circuit using the Thevenin's equivalent voltage and resistance. So for the analysis, in this case, let us consider that the MSB input is B3 to be equal to the reference voltage equal to 5 volt, and the remaining inputs, that is B0, B1 and B2, will be equal to ground, that is equal to 0 volt. So this is what is shown in the figure. For the analysis purpose, we have connected the B3 input to the reference, the remaining are connected to the ground. So we shall compute the R Thevenin voltage. I need to use the Thevenin's theorem to reduce the circuit. So the equivalent circuit can be drawn by considering only up to the point of R Thevenin voltage, which is as shown here. That is the binary inputs B0, B1, B2 is considered. Which is as shown, marked in the light blue color in the main circuit. So now in order to reduce this particular circuit, we have resistance 2R in parallel with resistance 2R. So that gives me a value of 4R divided by 4R multiplied with R, which is equal to R. So the reduced circuit now can be again redrawn by considering the value of the resistance which is recently computed, that is R, in series with the remaining part of the circuit. Now if you observe, the two resistances R and R are in series and the equivalent resistance can be written equal to 2R. So further I can reduce the circuit, and the reduced circuit will be 2R parallel with the 2R resistance connected to B1, and the remaining part of the circuit has to be redrawn as it is. Now in this circuit I have 2R and 2R resistance in parallel, so that reduces to R. And now I will have this resistance R to be in series with the other resistance connect. So that gives me a total value of the resistance to be equal to 2R. So as you can see, 2R in parallel with 2R, that gives me a value of R, and this R is in series with the value of R, that gives me a value of 2R, and R Thevenin will be equal to 2R. So we will have finally the reduced form of this particular circuit to be equal to 2R, the equivalent Thevenin resistance that we have just computed, and the remaining part of the circuit 2R connected to B3, and that is connected to the reference voltage V reference, and then it is connected to the op amp having a feedback resistance 2R. So here we will compute the voltage V1, that is the node voltage, and this voltage V1 is computed using the voltage divider rule. So the voltage V1 will be equal to V reference into 2R divided by 4R, which gives me a value of V reference by 2. Now to compute the output voltage, we have, since it's an inverting amplifier, it is the resistance which is connected in the feedback path divided by the resistance, that is 2R, multiplied with the input. The negative sign has to be present because it's a inverting amplifier. So we have the resistance in the feedback path to be equal to 2R, V1 to be equal to V reference by 2, and you get output voltage V out to be equal to minus V reference by 2. If you substitute the value of V reference to be equal to 5 volt, which we have assumed in the beginning, then the output voltage will be equal to minus 2.5 volt to be exact.